Salam, salam. This is Unity, and I'm here to do a Queen's order. Okay, this order is going to Midway, Georgia. Wow, I never heard of a Midway, Georgia. I heard of a Midway, Florida. Interesting. So the first pair that this beautiful sister order is the Evolution and Butterfly earrings. These are the heart. In this listing is two different ones. You can choose the hearts or you can choose the butterflies. Very much a art, walking art piece, wearable art, functional art. And this is the back. Here go the other one over here. You know I always make majority of the time I make my earrings flip flop. Every now and then you'll see ones similar to each. Yeah, so these are on boabw.com. Another pair she purchased is Mudcloth Design with navy cowrie shells. I don't know if I showed these on the Queen's order. These don't, for some reason, they don't sell as quickly, but I think they're for certain energies, you know, certain people. But I enjoyed making them. And with the will of the universe and the will of the gods of the universe and the God in me, that somebody else would get them. But I could tell, you know, certain pair of earrings don't sell as quickly as the others. And a lot of times that comes from they're meant for certain people. They might not be popular, but they're meant just for certain energies. Yeah. So these are called Mudcloth Design with navy cowrie shells. Yeah, this was hand painted. The thing with cowrie shells is it takes a while to paint them because you have to base it and paint it and base it and paint it, and yeah. So yeah, and this is the back. This is the other one. See the back. All right, I gotta sign the back of these. Yeah. So these are going to Midway, Georgia. All right, y'all. So the next pair is called Melanin Union Earrings. These are so fun to make. These are going to Washington, D.C. You have a little couple. Yes, yes, yes. These right here are going to Jonesboro, Georgia. Y'all see these a lot in the Queen's order. Jesus was black. I make a lot of these, y'all. When I say I make a lot of these, I make a lot of these. So these are going to Jonesboro, Georgia. MD, Largos MD. And the first pair is the Mudcloth on Fleek earrings. This is a pair that the China people have stole. They kind of duplicate them a little different, but these are my original designs. Alright, so they call Mudcloth on Fleek. This is the back. And then this pair right here is called African Spiral Earrings. One of my best sellers, timeless pieces. This is the back. And these are going to Maryland. Let me show y'all a couple more. All right, y'all. So the next order is going to Milwaukee. So these are one of my hot sellers. It's called Just Like Music. So these are called Just Like Music. One of my hot sellers. I've been making these for a long time, y'all. And also these Radiant Queen earrings, and these were given to her as a gift. She's been supporting me for a while. This is the back. Every time I do these out, like I said, most of the time I do the backs a little different, or going to Milwaukee. This next order is going to Michigan, and the first pair this beloved sister order is on and on head wrap earrings wood grain. This is a timeless design I made years ago, but it still sells pretty good. This is the back. And the next pair is Moon, Mudcloth Shine earrings. Back. And these are going to Michigan. Next order, these are going to London. And the ones that this beloved sister order is the point blank period. Point blank period. It's crazy how that's all over the world. It was just a Florida down south talk. Now it's everywhere. That's crazy. Just like the music. Yeah. So these are going to London. All right. Y'all, I want to thank y'all for watching this Queen's order. Thank all the beloved sisters that support boabw.com, which stands for Beauty of a Black Woman. Y'all don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Donate to this channel. You can donate as low as $1. The Cash App is across the screen. PayPal and Cash App is in the link in the description box. It helps the channel grow. It helps me create more content, DIYs, and do giveaways and all that good stuff. To visit your local shelter or rescue to adopt a pet today. Don't forget to respect those that respect you. Salam, salam.